Do you love a good deal? Most of us do. Fast fashion thrives on this desire. It lures us in with trendy clothes at incredibly low prices. We feel like we're getting a steal, snagging the latest styles without breaking the bank. But is it really a bargain? The truth is, fast fashion is designed to keep us on the hook. These companies churn out endless streams of new trends. Clothes are made cheaply and quickly, designed to last only a season or two. Before you know it, that must-have top is out of style and you're back online or at the mall searching for the next big thing. This constant cycle of buying, wearing and discarding takes a serious toll on our wallets. Without even realizing it, we're spending more and more on clothes that don't last. That money could be going towards things that truly matter, experiences, savings or investments in our future. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of a sale. A $10 shirt, why not buy two? But here's the catch. The low price tag often masks the true cost of fast fashion. Think about it. If a shirt costs $10, chances are it wasn't made to last. The fabric might be thin, the seams flimsy, and the overall construction shoddy. You might get a few wears out of it before it starts to pill, fade, or fall apart. Then you're back to square one, searching for a replacement. This constant need to replace clothes adds up. What seems like a bargain in the moment ends up costing you more in the long run. You're not actually saving money, you're just trapped in a cycle of buying more and more cheap clothes. The financial impact of fast fashion goes beyond your own bank account. The true cost of those cheap clothes is often hidden: environmental damage, unfair labor practices, and a throwaway culture that devalues quality and craftsmanship. Fast fashion relies on cheap labor, often in developing countries with lax labor laws. Workers, many of whom are women and children, endure unsafe working conditions and unfair wages to keep up with the insatiable demand for cheap clothing. Furthermore, the environmental consequences are staggering. Fast fashion is a major polluter, from the vast amounts of water used in textile production to the toxic chemicals released into the environment. The mountains of discarded clothing contribute to overflowing landfills, releasing harmful greenhouse gases. These hidden costs ultimately impact all of us, whether it's through environmental degradation or the social costs of exploitative labor practices. Section 4. Breaking the cycle: practical steps to save money and shop smarter. The good news is, you have the power to break free from the fast fashion trap and make more mindful choices for your wallet and the planet. It starts with changing your mindset and adopting new shopping habits. First, resist the urge to buy impulsively. Unsubscribe from those tempting email newsletters and avoid aimlessly browsing online stores or malls. Take a step back and ask yourself, do I really need this? Will I wear it at least 30 times? Before you buy anything new, shop your own closet. You might be surprised by the hidden gems you find. Try restyling old favorites or experimenting with new combinations. Get creative and embrace the challenge of making your existing wardrobe work harder. When you do need to buy something new, consider buying second-hand. Thrift stores, consignment shops, and online platforms offer a treasure trove of unique finds at a fraction of the cost. You'll be giving clothes a second life and reducing your environmental impact. Section 5. Investing in change, building a sustainable wardrobe and a healthier wallet. Building a sustainable wardrobe is an investment in yourself, your wallet, and a healthier planet. It's about choosing quality over quantity, embracing timeless styles, and making conscious decisions about the clothes you bring into your life. Focus on building a capsule wardrobe. This means investing in a smaller number of high-quality, versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched to create a variety of looks. Choose classic styles that won't go out of fashion quickly and opt for durable fabrics that can withstand the test of time. Remember, every purchase is a vote for the kind of world you want to live in. By choosing to buy less, buy second-hand, and invest in sustainable brands, you're making a difference. You're supporting ethical production, reducing waste, and creating a more mindful and stylish future for yourself and generations to come.